Okay, so next one is the remainder theorem here. So let's say given fx equal to x fourth plus 5x cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 2. Now, what if we plug negative 2 into this function here? Then this become negative 2 fourth power plus 5 times negative 2 cube plus 6 times negative 2 square minus negative 2 minus 2, right? So it's going to be 16 plus 5 times negative 8 plus 6 times 4 plus 2 minus 2. It will be 16 minus 40 plus 24 plus 2 minus 2. If you calculate that, it becomes 0. Okay, so look this result carefully. After we plug in negative 2, we got 0 here, right? Then, in this case, x equal negative 2 is the factor of fx. Okay, so which means the factor of fx means any factor you plug into x value, the outcome becomes 0. That is the factor of fx here. On the other hand, there's no remainder, basically. Okay, then the same function here, what if we plug 1? Then as you know, this will be 1 to the 4th power plus 5 to the 1 cubic power plus 6 times 1 square minus 1 minus 2, right? So become 1 plus 5 plus 6 minus 1 minus 2. So equal to becomes 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Unfortunately, this time we don't get 0. So now we can say x equal to 1 is not the factor of fx. Okay? Then what does this mean? We plug 1 into fx, we got 9 here. Then we better know what it means then. If it is not a factor, then what is going to be? So I would like to say that this is the input value and output value. Basically, when x equal to 1, y value become 9. That's what this means. Another word, in this polynomial function, you plug 1, then 9 came out. Another word, f1 equal to 9. That's what this means. Okay?